Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Thursday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in this bag. And it's one they have folded in half. I am not real thrilled with this at all. So let's see what is inside. That is, if I can cut it open without cutting anything else. Alright. Well, I see Joy Sunday Kit. Alright. Hang on. Let me bend them back into shape. It's awesome. Alright. I have two Joy Sunday kits, and they come from DPClubs. If they have any specials or discount codes, I'm sure they have a Black Friday sale. It'll be right in here, so do check that out. And we're going to start with the smaller one of the two. It is 19 by 20, 14 count, and it was $3.99. Let me get rid of the scissors, and let's see what is inside. If I can get a hold of it. I just thought this was kind of cute and wintry, so just kind of whimsical. And it doesn't look like there's a whole bunch to it. There is some back stitching in there, but the surface area is not too big at all. I did like the oranges, and I love the little rabbit and that little girl. She's all wrapped up and ready to go for winter. And there's even snowflakes. So let's see how many colors we have. It's all on one page. Looks like the back stitching is like outline stitch. There's a little lines in her. It's not complicated. So yeah, we have 25 total colors. You have 22 colors in full stitch, 3 in half stitch, 1 French knot, and 3 back stitch. You have 2 separate keys. Top one goes to the paper pattern and the bottom goes to the canvas. And I'm not going to go through all the colors this time. They're using 3371 as your dark color and 3865 for your white. So I'm looking to see. Oh, the French knots are not the snowflakes. They're on her scarf there, where you see those circles. So yeah, but kind of autumny winter colors. I'm trying to get it to, but beautiful, beautiful colors. It does come on the good thread card with 2 needles. And there's your 3865 and your, where is it? Oh, here it is. 3371. So there's no 310 black in this, but nice peach colors, orange colors, and some browns and tans. But it's not too complicated. It is a partial. You do not have to do the total background, but very nicely printed. The back stitching is absolutely going, I'm going to bend that down a bit. Going to make the picture, it'll fill in all the blanks where their eyes and all the details. Let's see if we can measure this. It is serged all the way around. It's 77 by 84 stitches. It is almost 19 centimeters, or a little over 7.5 inches by almost 8 inches or 20 centimeters. Actual picture is a little over 6 inches or 15.5 centimeters by 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches. So yeah, it's just a nice quickie little thing. We might save this for January. We'll see. Now the next one is bigger. I'm trying to get it to bend here. This one is 55 by 40, $15.79, and it is a 14 count. I had to check. I thought it was an 11 count for some reason. Let's see if I can get it out of this bag. Hold, please. pull that out. And then maybe this. Oh my God. I'm glad. I hate that they did that. And I've seen this and I've been wanting to get it, but I finally decided to just go ahead and get it. I think it is beautiful. Look at those tigers. They are awesome. And it doesn't, I don't know, I'll have to see, I don't want to make any judgment call about the back stitching, but it looked like just their whiskers, a few wisps, a few sticks. So nothing too hard to, you know, put in there. It is 257 stitches by 178. This is an 8-part paper pattern. So see, it's just up here, a little around his eyes, a little bit around the top of his fur. So it's sporadic. It's not, you know, going to make the whole thing. We have 35 colors. You have 30 in full stitch. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 colors in half cross stitch and 7 colors in back stitch. So yay. We do of course have 310 black because there's black in tigers. And I'm not sure. Oh, B5200 for the white. Does have 2 sets of keys. The one on the left goes to the paper pattern. One on the right goes to the canvas. But yeah, it's pretty detailed. So cool. And I'm glad, you know, a total of 35 colors. So that should bring it, you know, into good definition. Get the colors out. It does come on a good thread card, 2 needles, 2 thread cards. Pull that apart. A lot of thread here. And we have blues. We have, I don't know if that's a grayish brown, kind of a grayish blue-gray. I don't know how, greenish blue-gray. Say that 3 times. We got oranges, of course, for the tigers. Some browns. Ooh, look at that bittersweet brown. And lots of 310 black because that's in there. And this lovely kind of a rustish color, rustish orange. I don't know how else to say that. And some pale blue and other blue. But they're complementary colors, so it'll be gorgeous. Just absolutely stunning. Look at those colors. Can you ever? I love these tiger pictures. I can't seem to finish one or get there, so yeah. But I like the way they look. And this does not look real confettied at all. I don't know, you can't hardly see that pale green there. But it's rivers of colors, literally, because of the stripes of the tiger. So, very nice. And nice big key, very easy to see. Let's see here if I can get it. All right, it is 54.5 centimeters. Yep, 54.5 centimeters and almost 21.5 inches by 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. Actual picture size is 12 3/4 or 32 inches by 46.5 centimeters or a little over 18 1/4 inches. So nice size, full coverage on this one. But yeah, I just thought it was stunning. I just love the way tigers look. And yeah, the kits for the tigers, if they're big, they're very nice. But very good printing. Just gorgeous. All right. Thank you. That's all I got from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for these 2 gorgeous kits. I love them both. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all of that. And I'm sure they're having their Black Friday sale. I have no idea how long it lasts. Most are lasting until the 2nd of December. So I'm not sure if that will be there, or because there was no time on the, on their website. It just said pre-Black Friday sale. So I'm assuming it's going to at least last until Tuesday of next week. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.